Okay, it's 5 p.m. children. All right, welcome to 88 Tuition, and today we are doing the mock paper 2. Okay, we are doing the mock paper 2 and concentrating on the last 3 questions from your paper 1 booklet B and also going into your paper 2, whereby we can use our calculator. All right. So today the lesson, right, you will need your notebook the same, and also if you printed out your mock paper 1 and mock paper 2, but paper 1 and paper 2, all right, that would be great. So that at least you have this something to refer to, all right, know where you make the mistakes, then you can do some correction. Huh? Okay, your stationery and your calculator is only for the paper 2 portion, so we will not use it in our paper 1. And also, I need your attention and focus as best as you can. I know it's a rainy day. Look, oh, it's a rainy day, correct? All right, feels like sleeping, man. All right, this is like the best time to take a little nap. I totally agree with you. All right, but there's always time for the proper thing to do. All right, just like just now I took a nap already, and now it's back to what, having a lesson with you guys. All right, so there's always a right time for everything. So let's go. 26 more days to your math paper. All right, 26 more days to your math paper, which is on the 2nd of October. Look forward to it. Look forward to it. All right, looking at your scores, right, I can see that many of you are fully prepared. All right, just go in there and have fun. Have fun doing the paper. All right, of course, there's a seriousness to it, correct? But you have to do it enjoyably. Enjoyably. All right, so come on. All right, don't stress yourself too much, because sometimes when you get stressed, right, you might get some headache, some fever, some illness before the exam, and it's not worth it. All right, during the exam tips, right, I did told you about one of my student. All right, he's actually very, very good in science. He's supposed to be an A-star student for science. But before that, right, the day before, something happened. I think he got nervous attack and all this. And what happened? Yeah, he got some stomach ache, diarrhea. And when he goes for the exam, what happened? Of course, you don't feel good. Imagine your stomach keep on churning and churning, churning. Oh no. All right, that kind of feeling is terrible. And eventually he didn't do very well for the science paper. All right, he got a B lah. All right, but I know that he's an A-star one. So it's like this type of feeling, come on. All right. So if you can, yes, the paper, you have to put in your effort. You have to do your best. That is most important. All right. That's most important. Doing your best is most important. All right. But don't stress yourself too much that, you know what, at night cannot sleep. Dream of the math paper or the science paper or the English paper or your mother tongue paper and all this. Can? Just do your best and you can do it. You're fully prepared. Can? All right. So paper 1, I told you already, is the best part to what? The best part to score. So it's a 0.45, right? Teacher will give you about 1 hour to finish it. All right. No calculator, but still what? You should be able to score a good grade from here. All right. The aim is to try to get a 40, a 0.45. That will be a very good grade already. If you can get full marks, even better lah. Huh? Okay, so yesterday we stopped at question 27. Today we'll go on to question 28. This type of question again. All right, this paper asked twice already. Why leh? High chances that it's coming out lah. When they talk about something called percentage change, right? Percentage change. So when they talk about percentage change, right, what do? Remember the formula, right? This is the second time I'm doing this question. Percentage change. So percentage change, the formula is given as what? Differences over what? Differences over the original. Please remember that. It's a very simple formula to remember. Treat it as a formula. All right. When do you use it? Look, they say percentage increase, percentage decrease, percentage change. Even they use the word percentage discount. Also can use this, just to let you know. All right. So percentage change means what? Differences over the original times 100%. All right. Because they want it as a percentage. What? Can? Okay, so what's the story? In the last year, right? Last year, our dear friend is what? 48 kg. Last year, our dear friend is 48 kg. She lost 6 kg this year. Wow, I want to be like her. This year, I gained like 5 kg. I told you, right? Yeah, because of Mr. COVID lah. All right, eat and sleep. So, but she lost 6 kg this year. My goodness, I think she has been exercising. So this year, right? How heavy is she? All right, this year she will be how heavy? Okay, so last year is 48 kg. She lost 6 kg, minus 6 kg. So this year she is 42 kg. Is that okay? All right. So I'm doing something called differences over original. So I'm comparing the last time versus the now. You see or not? All right. So last time she is 48 kg. Okay. minus the now. Now she's what? 42 kg. Now means this year lah, huh? Over the what? Over the original. Original means last year lah, huh? So before she lose the weight, she is 48 kg times 100. Can you see? Okay, so as you can see, 48 minus 42 is a what? 6 kg lah. Ayah, sure, just put 6 lah. I know. All right, but I just want to be a little bit systematic in my step. All right, is the differences means what? Last year minus this year, or maybe this year minus last year, depending on the weight, which one is the bigger number. Differences means a big minus small over the original times 100%. So I will go through the trouble to go and find out what is the weight for this year. All right, so that I'm being consistent, I'm being systematic in my doing of math. So 48 over 48 minus 42 is 6. 6 over 48 times 100. Hey, why is 6 over 48 times 100? Huh? Are your numbers so big? Yes. What you do? Reduce to the simplest form. All right, you can. This is called equivalent fraction, right? So 6 and 48. Okay, divide by 6, divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is a 1. 48 divided by 6 is a 6. Sorry, 8. 48 divided by 6 is a 8. So you have 1 over 8 times 100, which is equal to what? I told you yesterday, right? I told you yesterday that there are some fractions that you have to remember. All right, these are very popular what? These are very popular fractions, decimal percentage that always comes out. So whenever you see 1/4, it means what? 0.25. All right, this means what? 25%. All right, when you see half, it means what? 0.5, and 0.5 means what? 50%. When you see 3/4, it means 0.75, and 0.75 means 75%. And the last one, 1 to 5. Yes, you see 1 over 8, it means 0.125, which is 12.5%. Can you see or not? So down here, they're looking for 1 over 8. Immediately, if you can remember, it's 12.5%. All right, so these fractions, right? These fractions to decimal, right, to percentage, right, always comes out one. It's like the same number. All right, you should thank your teacher for not being too creative. All right, because they keep coming out, we keep getting the marks. That's important, right? All right, so do recognize some of these numbers, very, very useful. They keep coming out. Cool? Okay, so the answer is 12.5%. All right, let's move on. Question 29. You see? Raining again. I can hear the rain. All right, I love rain, just to let you know. All right, even though cannot go out to play lah. Anyway, we also cannot go out to play now. Oh, hey, so please keep yourself warm, keep yourself safe, keep yourself healthy, drink more water, and really take good care of yourself. All right, there's only about 6 more days, right? Correct. English will be 25 more days. So during this period of time, please take care of yourself. Don't go and enjoy eating, everything lah, have buffet and all this, fast food, and make your throat pain and all this, then you fall sick. All this is not worth it. You can do that after your PSLE. Can? All right, take care of yourself. All right, I talk too much, right? I know. So Jermaine is facing the cinema. So I'll draw an arrow. All right, so Jermaine is standing down here. All right, Jermaine is a girl, I believe. All right, so she's facing the cinema. Can? Nice, right? My drawing, you see? This is a stickman drawing. I know. It looks good. Okay, then what happened? If she turns 225 degrees, good, anti-clockwise. All right, how does the clock move? The clock move like that, right? All right, this is called what? This one is called clockwise. So anti-clockwise means what? Anti-clockwise means the other way, like that. All right, anti-clockwise means the other way. Look at the white color drawing like that. Okay, this is called what? Anti-clockwise. Okay, so you know what is anti-clockwise, and you know the angle, which is 225. Just to let you know, from here to here, all right, this is actually what? This is actually half of a 90. 90 is like a perpendicular, right? This is like 90 degrees. All right, if you cut halfway like that, like that is a 45, right? Can? All right, so if this is a 45, this is another 45. This is another 45. This is another 45. So I count by 45. So all these numbers are very useful again. 45, 90, 135, 180, 225. Can you see not? They are all multiples of 45. So this is another 45. Can you see? So it's 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 45 is 135. 135 plus another 45 is 180. 180 plus 45 is 225. So the answer down here will be the community club. Can you see? All right, so this type of question, how to make mistake? Cannot afford to make any mistake here. Understand or not? All right, all these marks are very, very precious, and they are giveaway. All right, you must understand that, yes, not everybody is scoring points like you. All right, some of you are scoring like 90 over, All right. Some of my students, I got one student, actually, he's quite weak in mathematics. All right. Recently, I think he only scored 40 something. All right. But he's actually very good already. Last time he scored only 20 something. Now becomes 40 something. It's an improvement. Yes. So we need to encourage him. All right. So I will tell him that, okay, just do your best during your, PSLE. And you during his prelims, right, he scored about 40 something, which is, close to the passing mark already. Okay. Can you see or not? All right. So keep motivating yourself. Keep your mind positive, and don't give up. Don't give up fighting. Okay. All right. So as I was saying, the answer down here is community club, and of course, all those simple questions must secure the marks. I keep telling him that. All right. And remember to check your work many times, double check, triple check to ensure that you can get the score. Okay. Because I see that many of you having a lot of careless mistake here and there, transfer error, all this. All these are very, very painful points giving away. All right. So do check your work, please. All right. And do it slowly, lah. Got enough time to do one. All right. Got enough time to do one. Okay.